It's very early.
Especially to be filming.
Yeah. 7 o'clock in the morning. We've been up since 5:30. We're on a train now. We're off to Gatwick Airport to go to Stockholm. Yeah. So off to Sweden. We've never been there, so a new country, a new pin for our wall. Made our second connection onto the airport. Through security, I always get stopped when I'm with her, but we're through now, going to get some coffee. Coffee and water, and then wait at our terminal because we've got ages. We've got a long time.
Yeah, that's alright, that's better than running.
True. Why must you always insist on taking the stairs when there's a perfectly good escalator right there?
You're welcome to take the escalator.
That's why they invented, so I didn't have to walk upstairs.
Why do they put the stairs in then?
For people who want to be fit.
Yeah, so let's walk the stairs.
Coffee time. It's what we need. It's too early.
It is 8 o'clock now.
It is 8 o'clock, but we've been up since 5:30. I like coffee. We're at the gate, just waiting to board. Waiting to get off. There's more snow outside, which is exciting. But now we're going to get all rugged up. Is it cold out there?
It's cold.
We are here. There is snow. It's good times, huh? Off the train in Stockholm. Yeah. Now we're just going to wander around because we've got an hour to kill before we can check into our hotel. Just got to work out where we are. I think lunch. Yeah? Lunch. What do you feel like to eat?
Some yummy
Food.
sandwich.
A sandwich?
Something.
Okay, we can do that. Just find a place.
I feel like they should have good bakeries here.
Yeah, let's find a Scandinavian bakery. Or is it called a Scandinavian bakery if we're here, or is it just called a bakery?
I think it's just called bakery.
Okay. We found a cool little spot to walk down. It's like pedestrian only, isn't it? Road. So we're just looking for a bakery. I think we found a coffee shop we're going to. We'll have to wait and see. We ordered the big ass nachos. What do you think, Em? Is it big?
It's massive. It's bigger than my head.
The nachos were so big we barely made a dent. So after eating at Gnarly Burger, how do you feel?
Full.
Yeah. Was it enough food?
Yeah. And we have second round.
I think there's enough there for dinner.
Yeah.
Crazy. So we found the old town. This is more like what we really enjoy.
Yeah.
None of this commercialized foods like your McDonald's and things.
Gnarly burger.
Yeah. You liking this area?
I do like it.
Hey, look at the owl. It's been an awesome first day in Stockholm. You have fun? Yeah. We did a, what did they call it? It was like a free walking tour, but it was one of those horror ones, or seedy side of the old town of Stockholm. It was really interesting, really cool. There's a lot of weird stuff that's going on here, isn't there? It's Em's got to be up early for her audition tomorrow, so I think we're gonna go to bed. It's only like 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
8 o'clock, but I mean we got up at 5:30, so we're tired. So I'm gonna end it here. I'll see you tomorrow.